Let's go. Good. Good sweep. Let's go. Oh. Messed up. Let's go. Oh, no. Didn't count. Still only made 3 shots, buddy. Let's go. Nope. Pick up the pace.
The other team's winning.
Yep, other team's winning. They're way ahead. Whoa, what is going on?
It's only 3-4.
No, they're winning 5-3. 5-4.
Oh, I stole it.
You stole it.
I stole it.
6. Hey, Chase, stop fading, right? When you shoot, don't fade to the left. Land in the same spot.
High five.
Let's go.
High five.
Good job. Now, see, that was a good shot there. 6-6. The rebound. Hurry up. Follow up. No. Follow up. You're too close. Oh. Back up. What? I don't know what's going on with you today. You can't make a shot. You're not following through towards the rim at all.